So when we started our business, we started with lead carbon battery. We partnered with a company by the name of Narada, and that time we were trying to serve to all the rickshaw players. That was the initial idea, and then we realized that people won't buy a battery which looks like lead and it's selling at expensive rate. So we moved to we started exploring some other batteries, and during that time we partnered with a company by the name of Pylon-Tech. It is again 1780s initial 1718 days. The good thing, so we kept visiting China, Germany, and some other regions of the Europe, for example, Austria, to understand what would be making news in coming years. So during that time, we started with this company by the name of Pylon-Tech, and they had this offering that you can build very high voltage systems. And because of that, so we could reach to lot many EPC players, to lot many installers and all, and we kept asking for projects where we saw that solar with battery makes lots of sense. Though even that during that time batteries were very expensive, but few people were trying these systems. So we were able to do a few very good systems in some village areas of Maharashtra, in Bengal, in Assam. So that was with high voltage batteries. Luckily, by 18, your Saubhagya scheme came. Saubhagya scheme was the government was trying to electrify villages where they were looking for 12.8 volt and 108 systems to probably electrify houses. And during that time, we saw that the products those were available in India were substandard product, and that the reason was that people were just buying dumped product without even checking and all. So there we started working a lot, and we explored that what kind of cells to be used, what is the BMS that has to be used, what supply chain has to be built. And over the last 1.5 years, we would have done 60 to 70 megawatt hours of batteries over there. And these were typically home lighting systems those are sent to rural Indias to electrify the houses. And again, like 50 to 60,000 of houses would have been electrified through these batteries. So these were small systems, but so that gave us an idea that how batteries can perform. That also gave us an idea that how cells differ. Because initially we used to think that anything that is LFP or NMC would do like tremendously good. And with time we started seeing experimenting. We sat in their labs. We sat in our labs. We have been to China. We sat to their in their labs for weeks to see that how batteries performs at higher temperature, at lower temperature. We try to replicate a similar setup in India with IITs inside our facilities, and that's why we were able to do small systems. And in parallel, these are our own batteries. In parallel with Pylon-Tech, we were able to meet to lots of discoms, and also we kept meeting discoms. They had their problems, and initial approach was that we used to go sit with them and ask their problems, and we propose solutions to them. That if this is your grid stabilization problem, this is the size of battery probably you should have. If there is a peak shaving problem, so this is something which you could do with your high voltage storage system. If there is a stress at your distribution transformer at your DT, so this is the size of battery that would help. In summers, it would help like this. In winters, it would help like this. We had a dedicated software team that ran data for whole Delhi and simulated result that what kind of battery size should be applied to normal households. During that time also we were lucky to have few EPC project with very good companies. Like we did one project with discussion with Big Basket and similar companies like this, where they were trying to go completely off grid. And there we used all the good equipment to understand what is the power factor, what kind of harmonics battery would see, or probably what would be the sizing of solar. So we had expertise in solar, so that gave us a very good penetration or good network where people were looking for to apply batteries with solar system. And we have applied we employed a few good like high voltage systems over there. And right now even this year, beginning this year, we partnered with LG. LG came RESU. So we are working for home residential solution. We have started offering those solutions to people who are looking for it. So that was complete, like as you asked, the gamut of from smaller battery to large 600, 700 volt systems, or like 10 megawatt hour systems. That's the complete journey which we have seen.